Hey guys, in this episode of Ansa's cookbook, I am going to show you how to make kurkure at home. They are super crunchy and crispy and also easy to make. Let's begin the recipe. Take a pan and add half a cup of rice into it. Roast it on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes and take into a blender, blend it into fine powder. Please make sure you only use the rice flour prepared this way, as by using any other rice flour when we fry the kurkure, oil spills out. Now we will take a pan, add 1 cup of water, let it heat up and get to boil. We will take the prepared rice flour in a mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons of gram flour and a pinch of salt into it. Add this into the boiling water and mix it really well, and make sure there are no clumps left. Also make sure that the flame is on low to medium flame, as the clumps are easily formed on a high flame. Cover and cook on low flame for 1 minute, turn off the flame and cover the pan, leave it aside for 5 more minutes so that any moisture left will evaporate. Once the temperature was down, take this into a wide bowl and add 1 tablespoon of melted butter or ghee and knead it into a soft dough. If the consistency was not thick enough, you can add some corn flour into it for a perfect texture. Once the dough is prepared with a perfect texture, take it into a mold or wrap it in a sheet, or you can make it with a hand like fingers. You can also make them in any other random shape. Now we will deep fry them on a low to medium flame. Note that we have to add them into medium hot oil and on a low to medium flame. After 1 minute, start flipping them in the oil so that they are fried evenly until golden color. Do not fry them on a high flame, as they remain uncooked inside. That's it guys, homemade kurkure are ready. Once we take out the kurkure from the oil, we will also add half a tablespoon of red chilli powder, half a tablespoon of chaat masala and a little bit of salt. Like the video if you like it guys. Don't forget to comment your views on the recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.